Hey guys, thank you for joining us for FAQ Friday. We are back. The amazing Adela is with us today, and her amazingly awesome husband, Ariel, is here as well. I just wanted to make sure I threw that part in there.
That's right.
But today we are going to share with you guys a true story, a life insurance story,
That's right.
right? I know a lot of times you guys know that, Adele and I we're at Arrive Financial, we always talk about life insurance and why you should have it and why ours is better and why you should always do business with Arrive Financial. Of course you are, right? But this is a true story. This is something that happened last year to one of our own agents.
Yeah. And so not to share a lot of details, specific details, but he was a young 35-year-old that wasn't feeling well, went to the doctor and was diagnosed with leukemia. And so again, he had two little policies. He had a term policy and he had a small baby permanent policy that he paid $75 and the other one was like $20, right? Nothing big, maybe $100 that he had spent for the last 3-4 years paying into these policies, and then got hit with a leukemia diagnosis. And so seeing his life kind of take his health kind of deteriorate rapidly within the first couple months, he was able to submit some claims into the life insurance because these life insurance policies that he had living benefits. And what does that mean?
So living benefits, right? They are living benefits, not death benefits. A lot of times, a lot of you guys are like, well, Ariel, I got life insurance through my employer.
Right.
I think I'm good. And I'm like, well, if you're dead, your family's going to be good, but you're not. Right. So, you know me, I got to know details. And I had never asked him before. So we jumped on a Zoom with him a couple of days ago. And I'm like, bro, look, what did the insurance companies pay you out? And he's like, well, I got right at $180,000. And I was just like, wow. And I was just talking to him the other day. I'm like, bro, you look great. You look amazing. He's like, I feel better. I feel like I'm coming back around. My energy's starting to pick up again. He goes, we bought a new home. We paid off all of our debt. I was able to do some experimental coverage that my health insurance didn't cover. And just to hear his story as how that money, having it in his account from his life insurance, made the transition of going from unhealthy back to healthy easier.
Right.
And then I asked him again, I said, so let me ask you, what would last year have been like if you didn't get the 180,000? And he said, you know what, Ariel, I'm going to tell you one word: stress. Because it would have been the stress of not just trying to get better, but the stress of seeing your family struggle financially.
Because he couldn't work. I mean, he physically could not work. He is an agent in our industry and he could not do just the daily stuff. Like he had to take weeks off just to get better, go through chemo and all of that stuff. So being able to see the other side of that is a beautiful thing. And so I was looking at statistics today, and they expect in 2023, 1.9 million new diagnoses of cancer, right? So if you don't have a plan and you only have life insurance through work, you need to look at getting something outside of it that has living benefits, because again, it's better to be proactive instead of reactive. And it affects not just your household, it affects everybody around you, helping you.
Yeah, and you know what? The biggest part about this, you guys, is we are sharing with you guys a true story with one of our own, okay? And so I hope you guys take this information. I hope you guys understand what we're trying to say is that you need a real life insurance policy. So if they want more information, where can they find us?
That's right. So multiple ways. You can go to our YouTube channel, Arrive Financial. You can check out our TikTok, Arrive Financial. You can also check out our Instagram, Arrive Financial. And then our website is www.arrivefinancialservices.com. Or you can reach us out at our office at 666. I'm sorry.
Whoa, easy.
661-636-6862.
I promise she's a good person. Don't take that. She just got tongue-tied. So anyways, thank you guys so much for joining us again.
That's right.
And it means a lot to us for you guys to give up a few of your minutes on a Friday. But we will see you next Friday and hopefully connect with us on some of those platforms.
That's right. Thank you.